every, I think, actor, every hero in his career wants a song like that and craves for a song like that.
He showed me the promo, and which I said, boss, ये promo is it's a very hard hitting film. इसमें गाना कैसे करेंगे? Then he's the boy who kept calling and he kept giving ideas. He said, I'm going to go all out, whatever you want, however you want. And Varun came on board, and this is the kind of dance what we try to do is basically it's called crumping. And I always wanted to do with all the actors. In all due respect to all the actors, I never got a chance, opportunity because they couldn't do it. So I thought this would be the best guy to do it. And when I showed Varun the steps, and I think so, I thought he'll take a while, but believe you me, before I reached the rehearsal hall, he was done and he had gone off.
It's a great moment for me. See, I'm come here as a father. तो मेरे लिए इससे बड़ी मोमेंट नहीं है एंड this is a film which I was scared of when he was doing it. A lot of people might be, because coming from a commercial family and all, but he skilled it, and all credit gives to one guy who's a junior of mine from the FTI. That's Raghavan. Yeah.
Thank you.
Great, I tell you. And the song is outstanding. I've done so many songs. He's worked with me also, but this song, it has soul in it. The pictures become, very hot. I feel a lot of people now meeting me, they talk about his promo, about this film. They even talk about one particular dialogue in the end where he says,
luckily not many cops after that.
Yeah.
At night, I've stopped driving at night only because of that.
How difficult was it for you to get into the skin of the character for this video?
Now, when someone tells me to become Raghu or do scenes like Raghu, it happens a little fast, which is very scary for me because this is one character I want to run away from. It's not something I want to embrace because it's not a morally or a very happy character to stay with. These are memories I want to let go of.
जब ये गाना मतलब आपके दोस्तों ने या फिर जो इंडस्ट्री के लोगों ने देखा, क्या रिएक्शन मिला आपके फ्रेंड्स का, आलिया, सिद्धार्थ, आप शेयर करना चाहते हैं?
मैंने एक्चुअली ये वीडियो करण जौहर, मैं वेगस में था तो मैंने खाली करण सर को दिखाया था जब मैं वापस आया था. आई मेट हिम, द फर्स्ट पर्सन आई मेट हिम, और उनको दिखाया था. एंड it's a very personal thing because it's not his type of film, but I want to make him, like I want to make my dad proud. Karan is some person I want to make proud as well, and I'm waiting for 20th of Feb so that he can say things in the open that he's telling me in person.
You're romancing three pretty ladies, Yami, Huma and Divya. So आप सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable?
Actually 4.
Oh, 4.
एक और है, राधिका आप्टे.
Okay, so
मैं किसी को नहीं छोड़ूंगा.
सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable आप किसके साथ थे?
सबके साथ.
But still एक रैपो bonding जिसके साथ build up हो गया होगा.
I genuinely think all 4. In fact, आप डीनो को पूछ सकते हैं क्वेश्चन क्योंकि उन्होंने जब कास्टिंग शुरू की थी, I think Sriram would get. I think when we did the love making scene, Sriram himself was a little taken aback by how comfortable me and Yami were because we were really in the emotion as man and wife, man and woman, and whereas I think the thing that's taken everyone aback is a little bit the Divya Datta kiss, but I don't see why because Divya is a very very beautiful woman and she's an amazing actress, and plus I'm not playing 27 at that time, I'm playing a much older age. तो उस वक्त जैसे मैंने कहा कि बदलापुर के during I was in a trance, I actually felt कि मैं एक older,
very dedicated actor.
Older.
He makes actors very comfortable, especially the female ones.
टैग लाइन है डोंट मिस द बिगिनिंग, बस यही हूँ. तो ये यूज की गई अभी पीके के लिए, उसके दौरान भी ये यूज किया गया. तो अभी आप खुश हैं कि आपकी टैग लाइन हर तरफ प्रचार प्रसार में लगी हुई है?
हाँ, मैं तो खुश हूँ यार. पीके में भी यूज किया. यू शुड नॉट मिस द बिगिनिंग ऑफ एनी मूवी, लेकिन हमारा मूवी में तो मतलब पहले 5 मिनट अगर आपने मिस किया तो आपको कहानी अलग लगेगी. इसलिए मैं इंसिस्ट कर रहा हूँ कि जैसा थिएटर में होता है, पृथ्वी में होता है कि आप एक बार शुरू होने के बाद अंदर नहीं जा सकते. कोशिश कर रहे हैं ऐसा कुछ करने के लिए.
2015 has started on a big bang for you, not just for you but also for the other students of the year, Alia and Siddharth, who seem to be in love. Are you happy for them?
Very happy for anyone who's in love. I think if I don't speak, I will get into trouble as well. But have they told you that? तो मैं नहीं बोलता. ये हमेशा होता है कि बोल दे हाँ इन लोगों ने ये कहा था, तो बोलता अरे वेरी गुड, मुझे तो कब से पता था ये वो. मैं अटक जाता, मेरे को मैसेज आते, मेरे को गाली आते. सो आई डोंट नो एक्चुअली, आई डोंट नो. मैं तो वेगस में था, मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता.